My name is Charlie Tweed. I made The Signal and the Noise in collaboration with Dr. Darren Logan from the Wellcome Trust Sanger Institute.
And you're here. Where are you now? Here. Just because they're gonna cut my questions out of you, so we're just gonna be like a live space.
Okay. Do you want to start that again then?
No, it's okay.
And I'm here at Live Space Gallery, having just given a talk.
And tell us about the objects that you've chosen and what the differences of having them here and where this one before.
Yeah, so well, I'm really interested in the way this show has been put on by pulling out all these objects from their collection. So it's a very different format to how the show has been put on before. So it was great to have access to the collection because for me it allowed me to add kind of another layer to the work and play with some of the themes and ideas in it. And I wanted to kind of almost take on a kind of fictional persona as the work does, as if I'm the group behind the work or the computer behind it. And I'm looking through the archive, looking through the collection, and finding things that connect with my interests. So kind of interests around communication, signal technologies, receiving signals, generating signals, all of these kind of things. So I also chose handbooks for X-rays, because that kind of ties in nicely with the ideas in the film about understanding human code, understanding every kind of element of a human. So that was one of the things I chose. What else have we got in here? Let's think. We've got things like the Morse code machine, the coding handbook. So again, thinking about ways of transmitting messages. So underlying the work is this idea of joining up different types of coding, human coding, computer coding, hybrid coding of the future. The voice from the film comes from this kind of idea of a shared space where this data is being analysed.
And your work, The Signal and the Noise, was made in collaboration with a scientist. What do you think the value is for you as an artist collaborating with scientists, and what would you continue to do that way?
I think it's been really valuable. It's allowed me to work with someone who knows a vast amount about his area, a kind of area that I wouldn't really know much about and would find it hard to get into to research if I was doing it on my own. And the very process of collaborating with him has opened me up to all sorts of ideas that I didn't know about before and I wouldn't understand. So for me it's been very valuable, and it's a way I've not worked before, so I've not collaborated with a scientist in the past, or so many people on making the kind of video works that I make. So for me, it's allowed me to understand how I can really get some good things out of a collaborative process. So I'm kind of actively looking to do that again now.
And what discipline might you want to do it again in? What kind of science would you?
Well, I guess there's two. This hybrid computing thing is interesting to me. So I'm certainly looking at that, and even one of Darren's colleagues is a specialist in that area. So that is a potential future project to explore. So something I'm kind of lining up. I guess the other area I'm interested in is environmental humanities. So lots of people that are looking into kind of environmental culture and linking it to technology and kind of waste and things like that. So I'm looking at working with some people involved in that area at Bath Spa. Is that okay? Great.